Did you know that more than 20 million Brazilians suffer from some type of neuropathy? And what if I told you that that numbness in your hands, that tingling in your feet, or that burning pain could be your body screaming that it's desperate for specific nutrients? Today I'm going to show you 10 vitamins and nutrients that science has proven can regenerate damaged nerves. You will discover how a silent deficiency could be stealing your quality of life and, more importantly, how to reverse this naturally. Nerve damage or neuropathy can be devastating, affecting mobility, sensation, and even the ability to perform daily tasks. This condition often causes symptoms such as numbness, tingling, chronic pain, muscle weakness, or, in severe cases, even paralysis. It's common for people facing this situation to seek relief with medication, but a complementary and natural approach can be just as effective through the use of vitamins. There are 10 specific ones for nerve regeneration. Let me share with you 10 amazing vitamins and nutrients that play key roles in repairing damaged nerves, with detailed information on how each one works and where to find them. You will discover how to improve your neurological health and quality of life through proper diet and supplementation. First, let's talk about vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve health, playing a crucial role in cellular metabolism and the formation of myelin. Myelin is a fatty substance that coats and protects the nerves, acting as an insulating layer that allows for the efficient transmission of electrical signals between the brain cells. Its presence is essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system. Vitamin B12 deficiency can have serious consequences, such as memory loss, motor difficulties, and peripheral neuropathy. The latter, characterized by nerve damage, can cause symptoms such as tingling, numbness, and weakness, especially in the extremities of the body, hands, and feet. In addition, vitamin B12 helps fight oxidative stress, a harmful process caused by an excess of free radicals in the body. These free radicals can damage delicate nerve cells, worsening the symptoms of neuropathy. To ensure adequate intake of vitamin B12, it's important to include foods rich in this vitamin in your diet. It is important and is mainly found in animal products such as meats, steak, liver, and pork. Fish and seafood such as salmon, tuna, sardines, clams, and oysters, as well as dairy products, milk, cheese, butter, and eggs. For vegans, options such as fortified foods, including plant-based milks and nutritional yeast, are valuable sources. Research shows that regular vitamin B12 supplementation can relieve symptoms of diabetic neuropathy and nerve damage caused by treatments such as chemotherapy. Ensuring adequate levels of this vitamin is an effective way to protect, repair, and preserve nerve health, contributing to a healthy and functional nervous system. Secondly, we have magnesium sulfate. Magnesium is an essential mineral for the health of the nervous system, playing a vital role in fighting oxidative stress and reducing inflammation. This protective action helps minimize nerve damage and supports their recovery. In addition, magnesium stimulates the growth of new neurons, facilitating the process of neural regeneration. Another important function of magnesium is its ability to reduce muscle spasms and relieve symptoms associated with conditions such as epilepsy and peripheral neuropathy. It also improves blood circulation, ensuring that injured nerves receive oxygen and essential nutrients for their regeneration and proper functioning. Magnesium can be found in a variety of foods, making it possible to include it in a balanced diet. Among the main sources are wheat bran, oats, Brazil nuts, almonds, walnuts, lentils, and beans. These foods are rich in magnesium and can significantly contribute to meeting the body's daily needs. Scientific studies highlight the effectiveness of magnesium sulfate in reducing pain and swelling in areas with nerve damage. In addition, it promotes neurogenesis, which is the formation of new neurons, making it an important tool in the treatment of nerve injuries. The third nutrient is thiamine, or vitamin B1. Thiamine is essential for energy metabolism and the health of the nervous system. Its main function is to help nerve cells protect themselves from oxidative stress, especially in situations of high blood glucose, which is common in people with diabetes. This mechanism is crucial because oxidative stress can severely damage nerves, worsening conditions such as neuropathy. In addition, thiamine plays an important role in reducing inflammation and stimulating the regeneration of damaged nerves. This vitamin is essential for improving nerve conduction, ensuring that electrical signals between the brain and the body are fully
transmitidos de forma eficiente.
Studies show that thiamine supplementation can relieve the symptoms of diabetic neuropathy, such as pain, numbness, and tingling, while also promoting the regeneration of nerve tissues. To ensure a good intake of thiamine, it's important to include foods such as pork, beef, poultry, whole grains like wheat and brown rice, legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, as well as nuts and seeds in your diet. Research published in neuroscience journals confirms the effectiveness of thiamine in treating neurological conditions. These studies indicate that the vitamin can significantly reduce neuropathic pain and improve blood circulation in damaged areas, speeding up the regeneration process. In fourth place, we have omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are widely recognized for their benefits to the brain and nervous system. They play an essential role in repairing the nerve cell membranes and in regenerating myelin, a protective layer that covers the nerves and ensures efficient signal transmission. In addition, omega-3 acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory, helping to reduce swelling and protecting the nerves from further damage. This anti-inflammatory action is especially valuable for conditions such as peripheral neuropathy and other diseases that affect the nervous system. Omega-3 also plays an important preventive role in neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, and it contributes to the recovery from traumatic brain injuries, accelerating cell regeneration, and promoting the restoration of neurological function. The best dietary sources of omega-3 include fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and tuna, as well as chia seeds, flaxseed, and walnuts. These foods are rich in fatty acids, EPA, and DHT, the most beneficial components of omega-3 for the nervous system. Scientific research highlights the clinical impact of omega-3, showing that its regular supplementation improves nerve conduction, relieving symptoms of peripheral neuropathy such as numbness and pain. Studies also indicate that omega-3 can speed up the recovery process after brain injuries. Omega-3 for all of us. In fifth place, we have vitamin E. Vitamin E is known for its powerful antioxidant action, which is essential for protecting nerve cells against damage caused by free radicals. These unstable molecules can trigger inflammatory processes and degrade neural tissues, resulting in symptoms such as loss of sensation, muscle weakness, and pain. By neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin E plays a crucial role in preserving and restoring nerve health. Another important benefit of vitamin E is its positive impact on strengthening the immune system. It helps the body fight infections that could further worsen nerve damage. In addition, studies indicate that vitamin E may speed up the recovery of neurological injuries caused by conditions such as stroke and peripheral neuropathy, promoting the regeneration of nerve tissues. Incorporating vitamin E into your diet is an effective way to ensure its intake. Foods rich in this vitamin include sunflower seeds, almonds, hazelnuts, avocado, spinach, broccoli, and red bell peppers. These foods not only provide vitamin E, but also other essential nutrients for overall health. In sixth place, we have alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid is a natural compound with powerful antioxidant properties, essential for protecting the body against damage caused by free radicals. This antioxidant effect helps reduce inflammation, minimizing the impact of degenerative processes and protecting nerves from injury. Alpha-lipoic acid is particularly effective in the treatment of diabetic neuropathy, a common condition in people with diabetes, characterized by nerve damage that causes symptoms such as pain, tingling, and numbness. In addition, it improves blood circulation, promotes the regeneration of nerve cells, and contributes to the recovery of affected tissues. Although the body produces small amounts of alpha-lipoic acid, its intake can be increased through foods rich in the compound such as spinach, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, tomatoes, nuts, and seeds. In seventh place, we have curcumin. Curcumin, the main bioactive compound found in turmeric, is recognized for its remarkable antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These benefits make it a powerful natural ally for protecting nerves against damage caused by free radicals and for reducing inflammation in various neurological conditions. In addition to its protective function, curcumin also plays an active role in tissue regeneration. Studies show that it accelerates the healing process by stimulating the deposition of collagen, an essential component in the structural repair of tissues. Now, let me talk about 3 additional nutrients that deserve your attention. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, facilitates neurotransmission and is involved in approximately 42 reactions in amino acid metabolism. Studies show that the combination of vitamins B1, B6, and B12 can reduce the symptoms of peripheral neuropathy by up to 63%. Good sources include poultry, fish, bananas, potatoes, and chickpeas. Folic acid, or vitamin B9, is important for nucleic acid synthesis and essential for the nervous system. It works in synergy with vitamin B12 and can be found in leafy green vegetables, legumes, and citrus fruits. Zinc is another crucial mineral, as nearly 100 different enzymes in the body depend on it. Zinc is involved in skin regeneration and DNA formation, and it facilitates synapses, which are the signals exchanged between neurons. You can find zinc in meats, seafood, seeds, and nuts. Finally, let's talk about vitamin D. This vitamin supports cardiovascular and nervous system health and also plays an important role in muscle function. It is important for modulating cellular biochemistry and regulating genes. You can get vitamin D through sun exposure, fatty fish, and eggs. Nerve repair is a complex process, but adequate intake of vitamins and nutrients can play an essential role in the regeneration and protection of nerve cells. Incorporate foods rich in vitamin B12, vitamin E, alpha-lipoic acid, thiamine, omega-3 magnesium, curcumin, vitamin B6 folic acid, zinc, and vitamin D into your diet. It can help relieve symptoms, prevent future damage, and improve. Before starting any supplementation, it's important to consult a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate doses for your needs. Remember that a holistic approach, including a balanced diet, physical exercise, and medical care, is the best way to take care of nerve health. Now that you know these 10 vitamins and nutrients, start incorporating them into your routine and enjoy the benefits for your neurological health. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive more information about health and quality of life. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.